guys, it's Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. What I have here for you today is my TruckPak box. So what this is, if you haven't heard of it, is a monthly subscription box for truck enthusiasts. So I'm going to show you guys what's in my very first box. So I haven't opened it yet. We're going to go ahead and just have that little surprise here. I did cut the tape because I'm weak. Okay, let's see. Ooh, a hoodie. So I'm gonna try not to fall off this tire while I do this. So it looks like we got a hoodie. I'm trying not to make everything else fall out. So we've got a hoodie, says TruckPak on the front. What's it say on the back? It says, careful around my truck. Obamacare doesn't cover a bleep whipping. A bleep whipping. That is freaking funny. So yeah, this is the hoodie. That's awesome. Super funny. I'll wear the heck out of that. So we'll put that up here for now. So, we're gonna leave that there. And show you guys what else came in the box. So, looks like some Manettes, if that's how you pronounce it, Mega Shine, all-purpose quick detail spray. Let's just go ahead and smell it, just for giggles. So I'm not 100% sure what these are, to be honest. If you know, drop it in the comments. Because I don't know, but they're pretty cool. They say TruckPak on it. Set those up there. So we got that detail spray, we'll set that up there too. Looks like we have a Gate King coupon, 15% off. And then a little card about the detail spray. And then a backpack is what this looks like for S&B products. So that's pretty cool. So that wraps up my first TruckPak box.
How's the weather up there?
It's pretty nice. So I'm kind of thinking these might be for inside the coasters. So we're gonna see. So I think I had an epiphany of what these are. Maybe they go into the coasters. I mean, they fit in there pretty nice. So if that's not their intended use, someone let me know in the comments. Drop it in the comments. Let me know. But until then, I'm gonna have some little TruckPak coasters up in here. Hey, get away from my truck because Obamacare doesn't cover a bleep whooping. Hey guys, it's Lacey back again. These dogs. These dogs. Hey. And you can cut
They
that.
don't.
We'll do that as a bleeper.
They literally don't ever make sound unless we're trying to do something.